What's going on, everybody? It's your boy. It's your boy. First thing first, if you guys know me, you know I'm blunt. I keep it 100 on this channel at all times. I will never bullshit y'all ever. Today's video, how to get promoted in the Marine Corps. Now, this is going to be a fairly simple video. I'm going to tell you guys exactly what all you guys need to be focusing on, where you guys need to be at in terms of scoring. That's rifle score, PFT score, CFT score, things of that nature, and as well as extra things that will help you stand out amongst your peers. All right, so the number one thing is in this video is competition. Believe it or not, you are competing with every other Marine your same rank in your MOS. All right, you're not competing with every other Marine in the Marine Corps. You're competing specifically with the Marines within your specific MOS. For instance, if you're a motor T operator and you're a Lance Corporal, you're going to be competing with all the other Lance Corporals who are eligible for promotion within that promotion period. And this is what, this is what sets apart the people who should be getting promoted from the people who should not be getting promoted. Because in the Marine Corps, right, there's a lot of people who get promoted who obviously, don't deserve to get promoted. And it shows tremendously whenever it comes to whenever it comes to basic leadership skills or MOS proficiencies. It's just a whole mess. So let's go ahead and break this video down for you guys. And number one thing you guys need to be focusing on is your personal scores. For one, that is your rifle score, PFT score, CFT score. As far as MCMAP doesn't really matter in terms of getting promoted to the ranks of, let's say, well, to start off, the ranks of PFC and Lance Corporal, those ranks are automatically given to you, all right, within your required time and service, okay? Those ranks are automatically given to you. So long as you don't do nothing stupid to get yourself in trouble, you will get promoted to the rank of PFC or Lance Corporal. Now, where it gets a little bit tricky is getting promoted to the ranks of Corporal and Sergeant. Now, that's when the competition will come to play. And that's what I always tell people. I cannot stress this enough. You have to take everything you do seriously. Rifle range, you have to focus on all the fundamentals so that way, you can ensure that you're going to get a decent score on the rifle range, all right? I get it. A lot of people are not good at shooting a weapon. That's totally fine. But as long as you follow the fundamentals, it should be no reason why you should leave the rifle range with anything other than a expert, all right? Going now to the physical side of the house, all right? PFT, CFT. You got to ensure that you're in shape at all times, all right? Unit PTs, those are great. Yeah, you do PT, may do PT every morning with your unit or with your section, but think about it. Is that really going to help you improve in PT? Most of that stuff you got to focus on yourself. You got, like, at your own time, you got to go out there and PT and run and do pull-ups and do sit-ups and do a whole lot of cardio, because that stuff really matters whenever it comes down to actually taking those PFTs and CFTs. All right, there should be no reason why you guys should get anything other than a first class PFT or CFT. And if you are truly serious about getting promoted in the Marine Corps, you need to be aiming for a damn near perfect score or a perfect score on those tests, because that's what's going to really make you stand out. The next thing, education points. All right, whenever you guys join, this thing called MarineNet. You guys will figure this out once you guys join. It's a separate website that you guys can go through and take these proctored tests. Those tests are worth 15 points towards your composite score for each one, with a maximum of 100 points. All right, a lot of Marines don't get promoted because they have failed to do those MarineNet courses. It is so simple and so easy to hop on a computer and do math for Marines, or do basic writing, or do general science, or all the other courses that they have on MarineNet to get those points to get promoted. Another thing is book reports. If you guys are aiming to get meritoriously promoted, that means you're getting promoted before it's your actual time to get promoted. You guys need to be doing book reports. You guys need to be volunteering. All right, I mean, sacrificing your time for something that's bigger than you. All right, it doesn't matter whether it's volunteering at the animal shelter or volunteering at events that they may have going on around the base in specific times of years. You guys need to be, looking towards that. All right, there is nothing wrong with going out there wasting some of your time to volunteer, because you will get awards out of that. You'll get like a letter of appreciations and all that other stuff that you guys can use. Hell, to even get like the volunteer medal or some bullshit. But that will definitely help you and your chances of, getting promoted, because now the Marine Corps has this new system. It's called the promotion panel. Whenever I was coming through the Marine Corps, we didn't have the promotion panel. I believe the first panel I went on is back in 2017. I had to do that panel in order to get recommended for promotion to the rank of sergeant. And I already did that. I passed that. But before then, all we had to worry about was our composite score, ensuring that we are PME complete. PME complete is the huge thing. Now, granted, PME complete falls on you, more so your company, to ensure that you are getting trained. But if you guys know that you guys haven't done Lance Corporal, seminar, or you guys haven't done Corporal's course yet, and you guys are coming up for promotion, you need to be harping on your leadership about getting to one of those courses. Because without those residential courses, whether it's Lance Corporal seminar or Corporal's course, you won't be eligible for promotion. That automatically disqualify you, not being PME complete. And that is a huge thing that a lot of Marines, they don't get promoted because they don't have those things completed. Just breaking it down in terms of competition, you guys have these two crucial elements right here that has nothing to do with your overall score, but it has a bigger impact whenever it comes to you getting promoted. That's leadership qualities. How well are you to lead Marines, and as well as MOS proficiency. How good are you at your MOS? How much stuff do you know in your MOS to absolutely have an impact on any mission that you guys do or train or be a part of? Day-to-day operations. All right, a lot of Marines don't get promoted because either one, they don't have any leadership abilities. All right, they don't have the balls to go out there and tell another grown man, to do this, to do that, to overall better the experience, or they don't implement new ideas within a section to make work days, or just general projects that you guys may have for basic work schedule, like a basic day at work, any better. And believe it or not, those are some of the things that they look at whenever it comes to getting promoted, or whenever it comes to recommending you for promotions. All right, there's a sheet that you got to fill out. I know pros and cons is going away, but pros and cons was the old system to where, NCOs and staff NCOs, your platoon commander, company commanders, that was their tool to actually judge you and rate you on all of your principles and everything you have done for that year or for that semi-annual period, which is every 6 months. Now they're moving on to a new system called JPES or something like that. But like, that stuff really matters. As long as you're taking accountability for yourself, you're doing the right things, you're not getting in trouble, you're learning everything it is to know about your MOS. You're not afraid to tell your peers, you know what I'm saying, to implement new ideas. You show you care, you show motivation. You don't unk on a rifle range, you don't fail the POT, you don't fail the COT, you do education points. All of that stuff is going to make a difference. All right, a lot of Marines think about it as, okay, I can't wait to get promoted, it's just not my time yet. It's not your time because you're not putting forth the effort to be better than everybody else in your MOS. All right, like it's just that simple. Like, you know what I'm saying, I've done it, right? And I got to the point to where I'm at now because I took all of that shit seriously and I focused on the bigger picture. So that's pretty much it, guys. To get promoted in the Marine Corps, you have to be competitive. You have to be competitive. Sure, you may not be the most competitive, you may get promoted still, but like, in your mind, you should be wanting to get promoted every chance you get. When the first chance of you getting promoted, that's what you should be aiming at. You should be aiming at that. You know what I'm saying? I got promoted every year in the Marine Corps up until 2017 when I got the rank of sergeant. Every year I got promoted. From 2014 to 2017, every year I got promoted. And that's because, I put forth the effort and doing what I was supposed to do. But hey, If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you guys have any questions, feel free to hit me up on Instagram at AONixo. Finally out here in Japan. I'm tired. I have jet lag like a motherfucker. This is like 4 o'clock in the morning and I can't sleep. So I apologize if I sound a little off than what I normally am. But take this advice, take this video seriously, start using that, start implementing that into your own daily routine so that way you guys can be successful and get promoted amongst your peers. But until next time, it's your boy.